What's going on, guys? My name's Kyle, and today's video is going to be an update video about the retail arbitrage video I had about a week or two ago. I'll have a link to that in the description that you can look at after this video. But basically, I'm just updating you guys on what ended up happening when I was doing retail arbitrage, okay? So in the video, I talk about going to deal pages and buying products that are heavily discounted, and then you can resell them on Amazon for just below list price or whatever is currently the going rate for used products, and then you get the difference. Okay, so I'm going to kind of break down all the different fees that you will go through, and then show you my results for the selling on Amazon using retail arbitrage now. Now, a lot of people think that retail arbitrage is dead. I hadn't done it for probably about a year, and so I was kind of worried just because it had been so long. But everything worked out. I'll show you guys my results. It takes like no time. So basically, I have a little breakdown here. Let's see. So buying price, I bought these headphones for $45, and then their retail is, I think, like 150 or 140. I don't know exactly what they were going for. The price was all over the place, really, online for new. And then used price was about $85 when I bought it. So I ended up going just below that. That way, if someone's looking to buy it used, they'll see mine first. And so I listed mine at $82. And so the difference there, is almost $40. What is that? $37. But you don't get $37 back because you have fees associated with selling on Amazon. So the fees for that are the Amazon fees, and that's a referral fee that they charge for using their website, okay? And that's a percentage of the selling price. So mine was kind of a high ticket item. I was selling it for $82. So the Amazon fees were $11, okay? So it's kind of high, but because it's such a high costing product, they just take a percentage, okay? And then shipping. So a big thing with shipping, mine was $6, okay? But something huge to remember that I made the mistake of forgetting in the past is buy shipping through Amazon. So Amazon has deals with a bunch of different carriers, and because they are such giants in the shipping world, they're able to get the best rates possible for shipping. And so I was able to get like $6 2-day shipping to, I don't know where. I sold 2 of these items. One of them was to Arizona, one was to like the East Coast, and I'm in Southern California, okay? And so they were both about $6. One was a little bit below, it was like $5.50, and one of them was $6.25. Okay, but because you can buy that shipping through Amazon, it's so much cheaper. If I had gone into the store and tried to buy it myself, it would have been like $15, and that would have ate up all my profit. So it's really important to buy the shipping through Amazon, and they give you, when someone buys it, they give you that option. Oh, do you want to buy shipping? And then you can buy shipping through them. Okay, so it's super easy, so don't worry about that. So then overall, my total profit was $20 even. For selling this product. I sold 2 of them, so that's a quick $40. I sold them from the time that I bought it. I think I sold them within a week. So $40 for really, the amount of work I put in was so small. Maybe 15 minutes. That's kind of pushing it. 10 minutes, let's say, of setting up buying the product. It was free shipping. I guess the only other time that you would have to take is if you were going to go drop it off at like the postal office, but you can always have your postman pick it up from you as well. So it's really not a lot of time, and especially for really good deals like this, I was just kind of testing the waters and only bought 2 of these units, especially because I was using it as a case study with you guys. But if you wanted to, you could buy like 20 of these, or however many they'll allow you to buy. These headphones, I think they had a limit of 5, but some items there's no limit, and so people will go in and buy like 100, or depending on how much startup money you have, they'll buy a ton of one product and then put it out on Amazon, and they'll be selling it for a long period of time, and it's almost like a steady cash flow coming in off of their investment. Okay, so that's a great way to do it. Also, if you're doing that big bulk order for retail arbitrage, you can send your units into Amazon and then utilize their Amazon Prime, which has a lot of benefits, including free 2-day shipping for Prime members, and then you don't have to worry about sending them out. So if you have a bunch of inventory, and you can just have Amazon take care of it, it's off your hands, and then you'll just get a check from them. So it's a really great opportunity. Like I said, I spent maybe like 10-15 minutes on this. I could have bought more of these units and sold them, and so if I bought the cap, I probably would have been $100 up for the week for 20 minutes of work. So I mean, that's pretty significant amount of money for that little of work. So I think it's a really cool opportunity to have, and this is just one product. I mean, if you wanted, I only spent like 15 minutes on this, but let's just say you have nothing to do during the day and you wanted to just find a bunch of products that were really discounted, and then you can resell. I mean, I've seen people do thousands and thousands of dollars a month just by doing this, and they're just putting a ton of time into it. Now, it is time consuming to do that because you have to be constantly looking for good deals and products and shipping them out and stuff like that. So that's why after you're this is like the beginner stage to Amazon FBA, because you can do this, flip products, get some money in. On this, for my $45, I went from 45 to 65, right? So that's pretty, what is that, 40%, give or take, 40% increase in the money that I started out with. So that's very good, especially to get that back within the week. So it's great to have this opportunity available to people that don't exactly have the money to start up their own online business, but they're interested in the space, and it kind of gets your feet wet and understanding how Amazon works and selling on Amazon and all the little things associated with it. So I would recommend, even if you're going into Amazon FBA, just kind of experiment and do this once or twice, just to kind of understand the process of how it works and dealing with customers and sending things through Amazon and stuff like that. But like I said, great opportunity. I increased my money, like almost doubled. Well, no, didn't double my money, but 50% increase in the money that I started with almost no work. So it's really, I really recommend going and checking out those deal sites that I talked about in my other video. Like I said, that'll be in the description. But yeah, super cool opportunity. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and the extra clarification on shipping and Amazon fees and how much money you're looking at the end of the day off of doing retail arbitrage. It's still a completely viable way of making money online today, despite what other people say. There's a ton of great opportunities. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in the next one.